In this tutorial, I'll show you how to erase PDF text using Abbyy Finereader PDF. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I do have a PDF with me here, right here, and let's assume I want to erase this particular section right here, or even a couple of things here. Now, using Abbyy Finereader PDF is easy to do that. So I'll just open up Abbyy Finereader PDF, and once I open it up, I'm going to open up the document I want to erase. I'll just select it right here and click on open. And once I open the PDF file, it's going to populate here. And all I need to do to erase this PDF document is go to security and then go to erase. So you can erase text and pictures. So for this one, let's say we do away with this particular section right here. So I can just select it, let go, that it has been erased. And then let's say we also want to erase this section, just select it like that, let go, and then finally go to File, Save As, PDF Document, and then you can just add Erased, and then click on Save, and then as you can see, the document is erased, so we can actually close this. And we now have a new document here, and you can already see that this one has some sections missing. So if I just double click on this, it's going to open up right there. And when you look at our PDF, it more or less has no content right there. You can distinctly see some sort of background right there. And if you try to highlight, you'll see probably like there's a highlight of whatever, but there's no text that is being highlighted right inside there. So if you actually try and select and then click on copy, try and paste in something like Notepad, there's no content that is going to be copied right there. And that is how you can quickly erase text from a PDF using Abbyy Finereader PDF. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.